At this abandoned building, we got a drone stuck on the roof. So far, the rescue mission is not going well. Flying FPV at a Bando is a lot of fun, but it can be risky. Whether you play it safe to avoid crashing, or you have no fear and do crazy tricks in puddles, there's never a dull moment. On this day, Kelly finally perfected the trick he's been practicing.
Oh, bro. Like, how do you do that?
What is this trick called, Kelly?
This is called the Bando Lando. It's where you land on a narrow strip in a bando. And then if you want to be really cool, you do the Bando Lando Marlon Brando, where you go, yeah!
We were just about to wrap up when the real adventure began. Scot was flying when something went wrong. We weren't sure exactly where he crashed, so Kelly flew up and found the quad.
There it is. It's right on the edge.
The question is, how can we get up there? Which brings us back to this moment. Scot quickly realized he's going to need a ladder.
What you doing, Scott? Trying to find my drone. It's up there. We saw it. I got you a Whopper if you want it. Are you gonna try jumping up there? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me
Put the Whopper down.
let me put my Whopper down. Dude, a man like you, I thought would have a bigger ladder.
Well, it's looking like we need a taller ladder. Or
We're gonna put the ladder on this. Yeah.
the quad was still out of reach. We need more ideas.
It's kind of like 90 this round.
90 it.
Wine me, dine me, 90 me.
That looks sturdy. You see it?
Not quite there. How about the other side?
Right there.
Rescued at last.
There it is.
There it is.
Now we just got to get Scott down.
With the wind blowing and ladders falling, the perils of this adventure were not over.
We'll try this at home, kids.
Oh man. Thank you, brother. Sure thing.
So my broom, a drone, and a ladder.
That's all I need.
That's all I need.
Thanks for watching Ready Set Drone. As always, remember, don't fly low.